start.
Alright, so Rex, when you're getting ready to fill it or roll it up, you want to fold these things over. Just grab them. Daniel, I think you're too close. See what I'm doing. You want to fold these over into the middle so that this black underlying part right here, you can start to see it. Okay? That's how far you have to roll these over. Not like that. You can hear the air starting to squish out of it. Not like that. Okay? Daniel, are you too close or are you doing alright?
Doing alright.
I want him to be able to see the boat, just not me. Okay? Thanks. Let me just stand back over there. Cool. On the back, you'll fold these down like that. And then once you get it there, you're ready to start rolling it. Now if it's had air in it, you may actually have to roll it once, unroll it, resituate it, and roll it again. So we'll see how this rolls up, but I'll bet we have to do it a second time. And you can see the air comes up to it.
Do you want to sit on this side?
So I'm going to unroll it and probably get it resituated. It's a little bit crooked, which should be okay, but it makes it easier to go in the bag to get it lined out right to start with.
Nice, Dad.
Then when you get it ready to put it on, you can just see where the edges of the bag are. You just want to flip this thing around and get it centered into your cover. And then you do this one first. And then you do the two end ones. But again, if you crank on these too much, you'll break them. These have to be soft. Be gentle. Alright. So that's that. I think that's it.